Okay, today we're going to try some baby back ribs. I'm going to use the recipe from Ninja on smoked baby back ribs. Their recipe also calls for a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and it calls for salt, but we're going to skip that one. A little different recipe. I didn't follow it exactly. I added more garlic and onion powder. Hopefully that'll turn out, and we'll see. Okay, it actually fit on the grill. Now I've got it set to what the recipe from Ninja said. Put it on smoker for 250 degrees for 2 hours. Again, using their recipe. And yes, I still have not built me a table for this, but it's coming along at a later date. All right, we'll hit start and we'll check the progress a little bit later. Well, it's been about a little over 45 minutes. Let's get a peek and see what it looks like. Well, your answer is, if it's smoked, it does do a great job of smoking. And I don't know. It looks like it's coming along though. So I'm going to shut the hood and see what happens. Okay, it's going to take longer than 2 hours to cook this ribs. To get to the temperature of 203 degrees internal temperature, and then let it set for 10 minutes. And boom, seems like it's done. Let's take a look and see what it looks like. Looks pretty good. Let's get it inside and let it rest for a bit. And as a side note, we use this Ninja Foodie at least 3 times, if not more, a week. And we always love to make a pot of beans. And it never fails. They are perfect and so much less time and less cleanup. Love the Ninja Foodie. Okay, it's been about 2.5 hours and had to change some cooking techniques up. Well, shoot, looks like somebody cut a piece off already. Wonder who did that. Oh well, let's see what this thing looks like here. Pretty good. Oh yeah. Yep. I bet you that. Let's do a taste test though. Yep. That's good. Perfect. Okay. Nice and juicy. Really nice flavor. Good smoke ring. Good smoke flavor. Actually, just excellent.